Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now this particular category is a Caribbean honeymoon, one-bedroom butler suite. You're gonna love everything that the room, the resort, and your butler has to offer. Let me show you the room. As you see here, being a one-bedroom, this is the living room space. But before I show you that, I'm just gonna take you right here to the corner, and this is going to actually be the second bathroom. I think it's a fantastic touch. Traveling as a couple, having a second bathroom is such a luxury. So you've got a full step-in shower tucked around the corner here. You've got a single vanity there, and then of course the commode. Directly across, you're gonna find the first of the closets, and now we're headed back into the living room area. You see you have a large, comfortable sofa there. You've got a nice chaise lounger, coffee table, and directly across, you're gonna have the first of the two flat panel TVs. Now, both of them are interactive, so in addition to watching television or streaming from your own device, you can also check out what's going on throughout the resort. Now, there's a ton of storage underneath here, and then over to this area, you're gonna find the dining room. Now, I mentioned that this is a butler level suite. What that means is even before you arrive, we're gonna do a preference sheet with you. We'll take care of all those details so you don't have to worry about it, so that your butler knows exactly what it is that you're looking forward to the most, and he knows how to make you extra happy with all of your special preferences. Now, once you arrive on the resort, you're gonna have a special check-in. You'll bypass the main desk and you'll head right up here and actually check in your own private space. And then you could utilize the services of the butler throughout your stay, whether it's for reservations or taking advantage of that incredible 24-hour room service menu that does come with the butler level suites. Now, another one of my favorites is they can even reserve a beach chair or a pool chair for you in the morning so you can sleep in and enjoy. They're gonna have that cooler stocked exactly the way that you want, so you head on down whenever you're ready and enjoy paradise. Now over here, you'll see another one of those upgraded butler level amenities. You've got the full size upgraded alcohol, and then underneath you're gonna have a mini fridge. It's gonna come stocked with beer, wine, soda, juices, and of course your favorite mixers. Just through the door, you're gonna find your beautiful master bedroom. You got a writing desk over here to the corner, Bluetooth speaker with extra USB chargers. They do have some extra USB chargers and a US charger just right there, but keep in mind that most of the plugs in this room are UK, so you may wanna bring an extra adapter with you so you have more places to plug things in. And what I always do is I'll bring an extra battery backup, that way I can charge my phone in the evening by the bed. Now right here, you'll see the focal point, the large king size bed. That's one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. And I also love that they have a fan in here and the other room as well. So if you don't want the air conditioning up all the way, I love turning the fan on and having the air moving. Across from the bed, you're gonna find a massive flat panel TV. Now this is the second one. You're gonna have storage underneath here. And then over to my left, you're gonna find your closet with even more storage. So you're gonna see that you have a hair dryer, an iron and ironing board. You've got extra pillows, blankets, a safe big enough for a laptop, and then another one of those upgraded butler level amenities. You're gonna have the extra comfy robe and slippers. Just through the door here is the master bathroom. You've got the toilet tucked around to the corner and this incredible Tranquility Soaking Tub right here. It's one of those things your butler could do for you actually. They can draw a bubble bath for you, maybe have a nice glass of champagne waiting as well. In this area, you're gonna find a large double vanity, beautiful marble countertops there. You've got the full-size bath amenities here from the Red Lane Spa. Now keep in mind, if you wanna check out the Red Lane Spa, all of the incredible restaurants and public spaces here on site, we do have a full resort tour for you to check out as well. Across from the sink, you're gonna find your shower. As you step in here, you've got a shower head here, and then also a rainforest shower head up above, and a little nook for those full-size amenities. Now just behind me, you'll see the beautiful outdoor space here. You've got two loungers over in the corner. You've got a table and two chairs here. Perfect place to take advantage of that 24-hour room service. Maybe have a cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. Now this particular category comes in different kinds of views. You of course can request them. Not necessarily something we can guarantee, but this particular one is a ground floor walkout. They also have a couple on the second and third floors as well. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any at Sandals or Beaches, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, honeymoon, or wedding party at an incredible value.